Close to 6 p.m. on Tuesday night. I want to cut an update because I'm very concerned about power outages and down trees and power lines over the next 24 hours over northwestern New Jersey, mainly, especially the higher elevations. We just had an icing event where we have up to almost a half an inch of ice on limbs. These are pictures I took on the way home from work. You could see this is at higher elevations in Morristown. You could see this ice, and it's very concerning because not only is it on the trees, but it's also on the power lines, and trees are leading into power lines. And what's going to happen is the temperatures tonight are going to drop. Okay, they're not going up. So this is the model projected temperatures. Look at this; these cold temps coming in tonight into the 20s, and tomorrow they might not get above freezing again before a very deep freeze tomorrow night with an Arctic front that's coming in. Now, because of this Arctic front, we're going to see gusty winds starting tonight. So this is maximum wind gusts by the new North American model. So by the time we get to 7 o'clock tonight through tonight, you see winds could be gusting up to 30 miles an hour. And then when that front really comes through tomorrow night, we're going to have winds again that could be gusting 30, 40 miles an hour. So if you think about, there's almost a half an inch of ice on trees, at least a quarter of an inch. Temps are staying below freezing into the 20s, and we're going to have gusty winds. I really don't think this is going to end well. Nobody's really talking about it, so I want to get the information out there. In terms of the forecast yesterday, the ice forecast worked out really well. It's just the snow forecast busted, and you guys know the ice was always my biggest concern. So don't take it lightly. There's going to be a lot of black ice out there, in particular down trees, power lines, northwest mainly. I think Morris, Sussex, Warren counties, higher elevations. This is not a joke. I really think things are going to, over the next 24 hours, be very impactful. So stay safe out there.